Michio Kaku. This discovery rewrites our understanding of the cosmos. Did you ever wonder if the universe could surprise even the most seasoned scientists? Well, hold on to your cosmic curiosity because a recent breakthrough has done just that. Scientists have for the very first time stumbled upon stars that defy the laws of cosmic aging, 780 million years older than the universe itself. Yes, you heard it right. These celestial wonders seem to have appeared in the cosmic tapestry before the universe even had a chance to fully unfold. This astounding revelation challenges our understanding of the cosmos, prompting questions about the very fabric of space and time. How is it possible for these stars to predate the universe as we know it? What cosmic events or phenomena could have given birth to these ancient luminaries? As scientists grapple with these perplexing inquiries, the discovery opens up a new chapter in our quest to comprehend the mysteries of the cosmos, inviting us to rethink the timeline of the universe and reconsider the fundamental principles governing its evolution. So fasten your seatbelts because the universe just threw us a curveball that promises to reshape our cosmic narrative. We have always been super interested in where the universe, stars, and everything came from. It makes us want to figure out the big questions about life and what everything is made of. Thinking about how the universe started, how stars form, and how huge the cosmos is gives us a peek into the amazing details of how it works. The age of the universe is like a cosmic storybook that unfolds over an unimaginable span of time. Imagine the universe as a grand theater, and each star, galaxy, and cosmic event plays a role in this celestial drama. Scientists tell us that the universe is roughly 13.8 billion years old, and thinking about this vast timeline can be mind-boggling. It's like peering into a cosmic history book where galaxies form, stars are born and die, and planets emerge. All theories might be replaced by some new theory. The theory that many scientists are claiming to be a completely new age theory. Shocked, right? We will certainly tell you what it is all about. But before that, here is a small thing you can do for us. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon right next to it and stay updated with such extraordinary videos. Now let's get back to the topic. The age of the universe is a challenging concept to grasp. Just 90 years ago, our knowledge about the universe was limited. At that time, astronomers believed that the Milky Way held all the stars in the universe. In 1917, something remarkable happened when JWST Curtis observed a nova, a sudden burst of brightness like a new star in what was then known as the Andromeda Nebula. This event marked a turning point, revealing that there was much more to the universe than we had previously thought. Novas, characterized by a rapid emergence, played a key role in expanding our understanding. Curtis's curiosity was piqued as he observed the gradual dimming of novas over weeks or months. This led him to delve into photographic records in search of more novas, where he stumbled upon an additional 11. What truly fascinated Curtis, though, was the stark contrast in brightness between novas in Andromeda and those in the Milky Way. Upon closer inspection, he made a noteworthy observation. Novas in Andromeda appeared significantly fainter than their Milky Way counterparts. Armed with this insight, Curtis undertook the task of estimating the distance to Andromeda. His calculations pointed to an astonishing 500,000 light-years away. This revelation fueled Curtis's advocacy for the island universe's hypothesis, a groundbreaking concept in cosmology. According to this hypothesis, objects once thought to be spiral nebulae within the Milky Way were, in fact, independent galaxies. Curtis's findings challenged existing beliefs and marked a revolutionary step forward in our understanding of the cosmos. Let us understand the concept of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is like a giant city of stars in our cosmic neighborhood. Imagine it as a bustling metropolis where our sun is just one of many stars. All these stars are interconnected, forming a vast spiral structure that stretches across the sky. It's like living in a massive glittering galaxy where each star plays a role in the grand cosmic dance. Furthermore, while the Milky Way is immense and captivating, it doesn't hold all the stars in the entire universe. The universe is incredibly vast, with billions of galaxies, each with its own set of stars. So while our Milky Way is spectacular, there's a whole universe out there filled with countless galaxies and stars, making the cosmos even more awe-inspiring and wondrous. And about the universe back in the day, we used to think the universe was just chilling, not moving at all. Albert Einstein even tweaked his equations to include something fancy called a cosmological constant, all to keep the universe in place. Fast forward to 1928, and Edwin Hubble comes into the scene. He measured galaxies and had an aha moment. The universe wasn't static. It was actually growing. Imagine it like the universe stretching out everywhere. This discovery hinted that the universe isn't forever old. It has a beginning. And guess what? We can sort of guess how old it is using math. So Einstein's idea of a calm and steady universe got a major shakeup thanks to Hubble and his galaxy measurements. Now, instead of a fixed and timeless cosmos, we've got this dynamic, ever-expanding universe with a definite starting point, like a cosmic clock ticking away. It's like the universe went from a silent movie to an action-packed blockbuster. Edwin Hubble, in a journey through time, initially approximated the universe's age at a mere 2 billion years. However, as our knowledge advanced, we realized this estimate was significantly off. A pivotal moment came in 1965 with the revelation of cosmic microwave background radiation, marking the conclusive resolution of lingering scientific uncertainties about the expanding universe. Before this discovery, uncertainty prevailed regarding the universe's expansion. The cosmic microwave background radiation announcement marked a turning point, dispelling doubts and affirming the universe's dynamic nature. While we confirmed the expansion, the true rate remained an enigma. In the following decades, there was much uncertainty about how quickly the universe was expanding. This led to a lively debate with various estimates ranging from 8 billion to 18 billion years. The challenge became more apparent when scientists calculated the ages of the oldest main sequence stars. Surprisingly, these stars turned out to be more than 8 billion years old. Logically, this posed a problem because stars cannot be older than the universe. This dilemma brought the discussion to a standstill in the kingdom of cosmology. A pivotal moment emerged with the introduction of the Hubble Space Telescope in 1997. This groundbreaking instrument shattered previous limitations by revealing a crucial revelation. The universe's expansion was not a steady process, but rather it was accelerating. This unexpected phenomenon was attributed to an enigmatic force known as dark energy, possessing repulsive qualities. When astronomers incorporated dark energy into the story of how the universe is growing, they calculated that it's approximately 13.8 billion years old. Yet, a big challenge arises. There's a lot of disagreement about the Hubble constant. Imagine peering into the vast expanse of the cosmos, where stars twinkle and galaxies swirl in an intricate dance of cosmic proportions. Within this celestial tapestry lies a puzzle, challenging our very understanding of the universe's age. Picture astronomers, their telescopes pointed towards the heavens, uncovering secrets hidden in the depths of space. They stumble upon a revelation, a group of stars within our Milky Way, ancient beyond measure. These stars, nestled in the heart of the cosmos, defy conventional wisdom, beckoning us to rethink our assumptions. Meet M92, a beacon of stellar history, standing as a testament to the universe's unfathomable age. This globular cluster, with its dense congregation of stars, holds clues to the mysteries of cosmic evolution. As astronomers delve into its depths, they uncover a truth that shakes the foundations of our understanding. But the story doesn't end there. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, a groundbreaking tool propelling us into uncharted territories of exploration. With its keen eye, it pierces through cosmic dust clouds, revealing the birth of stars with unprecedented clarity. Through its lens, we witness the formation of galaxies, mere moments after the Big Bang, challenging our perception of cosmic time. As we gaze into the cosmos, new questions emerge, urging us to reconsider what we thought we knew. Could the universe be older than we ever imagined? Are there mechanisms at play, hidden from view, waiting to be uncovered? Join us on a journey of discovery, where each observation opens doors to new possibilities. Through the lens of the James Webb Space Telescope, we embark on an odyssey of cosmic exploration, where the answers to age-old questions await. So, keep your eyes on the stars and stay tuned for the next chapter in our cosmic saga.